back, guys. So in today's video I want to show you guys 3 easy ways to remove picture background in Photoshop. So 3 easy ways to remove picture background in Photoshop. So the first way is, when you get into your Photoshop and you bring your image, what you need to do is select your image layer, the layer you want to remove the background from, which is your image layer. Turn off the lock key, here. Turn it off. Then come to your properties. So on the properties, scroll down, you will see quick action. So quick action, I can do 2 things. I can select subject. So if I select subject, I can do a select subject that will select the image I want to remove. Then I would now remove the background. So I can do something like this. So let's wait for it to select. So I can do something like this. Then now cut out what I want to cut out and it will be okay. But I can also, but that's not what I want to do it. So what I want to do is I want to use the remove background. So if I click on remove background, let's wait. So if I click, after clicking on my remove background, now you can see that Photoshop has done a very good work for removing the background for me. So you can see my background has been removed and is neat enough for me to use. So you can see, so that's the first way you can do that. So that's the first way you can do that. So the second way, I'm going to use another picture. So the second way is, come up to your toolbar area. So come up, you go to your quick selection tool, then select object selection tool. Then using the object selection tool, you select the whole of your image like this, and then wait for Photoshop to do its work. So you see, Photoshop helps us select that image. After selecting it, now we can come to our layer and just max out the background, and you can see that our background is very neat and okay. So if I zoom it up, then let's say I want to add a background to it. I can add a background. Yeah. If I want to add, so let's see it. Add the background, bring it behind it, and then I want to change the background color. I want to change the background color to blue. So you can see it there. Looks neat enough. So it looks neat enough for us to make use of. So then the third way to do that is, I'm going to come to the third image. I'm going to be using this image as the third image. So the third way to do that is, you can come up here to your image, to your selection window up here. Come to subject select. Come to subject. So it's going to select the subject for us. So let's wait for it to work. It's magic. So it selects the subject for us. Very neat. So then we can now click on the max to remove the background. So you can see, very neat, removed the background for us very neatly. So I have my image removed. So let me make it bigger so you can see. So I have the background of the image removed and the image is looking very neat. Okay, so guys, that's the 3 easy ways to remove image backgrounds on Photoshop. Thanks for watching the video, and if you can kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video.